Step 1. Mark out a horizontal line and then mark out the span of the arch, points A and B. Points A and B are identified as the springing points of the arch. There are three types of Gothic arch. Equilateral Gothic arch. This is when the span and the rise of the arch are equal. Lancet Gothic arch. This is when the rise is greater than the span. Drop Gothic arch. This is when the rise is less than the span. Step 2 is to bisect line AB, which means to cut the line into two equal parts and forming a 90-degree angle, which is a right angle. Place the trammel point onto point A and extend the pencil end beyond the halfway. Secure the pencil end of the trammel. Scribe an arc above and below line AB and ensure it passes the halfway mark. Repeat this procedure from point B and cut the arcs drawn from point A. Draw a vertical line through both these intersecting arcs. Step 3. Mark out the height of the rise on this vertical line and identify point C. Draw a line from point A to point C. Step 4. Bisect line AC following the same procedure used to bisect line AB. Once the intersecting arcs have been drawn, draw a line cutting through the arcs and extend the line down until it cuts through the horizontal line AB. Where this intersects is point D, which will be the striking point for drawing one side of the arch. Step 5. Place the trammel point at point D and fix the pencil point on point A. Now draw an arc from point A up to point C. This is the outline of one side of the arch. Measure the distance from point D to the center point of the horizontal line and measure out the same distance on the other side of the horizontal line and identify point E. Place the trammel point at point E and fix the pencil point on point B. Now draw an arc from point B up to point C. This will outline the other side of the arch. These two lines now show the outline of the arch and will be the line of the arch called the intradus. Step 6 is to draw the extratus of the arch. This is achieved by extending the length of the trammel by the width of the arch face. In this instance, 1 brick, for example 215 millimeters, and repeating the instructions in step 5. You have now drawn out in full size the complete outline of the Gothic arch. Step 7. Drawing the shape of the individual brick. These wedged-shaped bricks are called voussoirs. From the top of the arch, mark off 10 millimeters and then 65 millimeter divisions along the extratus. Repeat this until you reach the horizontal line. You may have to slightly reduce the 65 millimeter divisions to ensure that you finish with the correct space. To draw the individual bricks, connect a straight edge or chalk line between point E and the marks identifying the 65 millimeter divisions. Draw a line from the extratus to the intratus to draw one side of the brick. Repeat this for the other side of the brick, and you have drawn the outline of the shape of the voussoirs. Repeat this for all the divisions you have drawn. Repeat this step for the other side of the arch using point D.